Apple does not want you fixing their product, and you'll have to buy a whole new machine if you want to upgrade. So let me take you back about 15 to 20 years ago. Yeah, it's been a minute. I'm gonna take you back, and I had just purchased my second MacBook Pro. I purchased it to help me with some music production. I was getting into music production, and I was finally starting to get wind of, okay, you need to have a good, solid quality Mac. I paid a good price for this. I mean, probably about $1,500 to $2,000 for this MacBook. Well, guess what happened? I had an unfortunate incident where my MacBook was washed out. I mean, completely, like water hit it and it got damaged. The motherboard got damaged. I was distraught. I was disgusted. Couldn't afford to go through the Apple plan. And it's not the Apple plan, but I couldn't go through Apple's, their program to fix your Mac, because it costs, believe it or not, the same amount for you to purchase a new Mac. It costs for you to repair, because they've sold you it, they marketed it to you. So once you've gotten it, you have a certain sense of loyalty to the Mac that you have. Well, I ain't have no loyalty. I really didn't. I just wanted something. I wanted it fixed, and I wanted it fixed now. What I did which was creative at the time. You can't do that now. But at the time, I went on eBay and I looked up some service repair shops. I found one in New York. I ended up shipping my MacBook to New York to get it serviced. And the amount of money I paid was probably about $250. Yes, $250 to completely exchange or change out my motherboard. And it worked. They sent it back. I was just like, oh my goodness, this actually worked. I paid like literally a fourth of the price that you would normally pay to fix your Apple computer. Well, what am I saying about this? And by the way, even before I get into what I'm trying to say about this, I was great until I got it back. I got the MacBook back, and they had actually broken one of my RAM slots, which, you know, was kind of, I wasn't too happy about that, but the motherboard was fixed. So we could deal. I could get over the RAM slot being broken, you know. But what am I saying? Fast forward to today. You can't go inside and fix your Mac or your iMac. I'm telling you, it's a repair trap. So you want to be careful that make sure whatever you purchase, that it's something that you are confident that it's going to work for you and work with you. Because I have used computers and my computers work very good. The one thing though is I have reached my upgrade ceiling. Now, what I mean by that is I can no longer upgrade these old Macs. Y'all see them in the back? These old Macs, these are like 1 and 2, 3 iMacs that are too old for me to be able to upgrade. Well, do you know, eventually your computer becomes old after about 2 or 3 years, and Mac or Apple will slowly phase out the programs in which they allow you to upgrade these aging models. They don't allow you to upgrade the security, and never mind the security. How about the operating system? I mean, how many operating system upgrades do we get a year from Apple? So that's what they're telling you. Hey, your computer may not be getting slow, but you're not going to get an upgrade. Not from Apple.